Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is primary key. So before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is primary key? A primary key, also called a primary keyword, is a column in a relational database table that's distinctive for its record. It's a unique identifier such as driver's license number, telephone number with area code, or vehicle identification number or VIN. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is primary key is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.